So guys, I'm going to show you how to use Make.com to generate monthly SEO reports. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, log into your Make.com account and head over to the left sidebar and click on scenarios and type in open scenario builder. This will open the scenario builder to configure your webhooks and connections. Now click on the plus button here and type in SEO. For example, choose your best SEO plugin or any other SEO plugin just use, and click on SEO. Select your SEO event, for example. You can select search for SEO, did SEO category, get SEO post. So let's get, for example, choose let's choose, for example, create SEO post and just click on create connection and just choose your domain API key and click on save to just connect your SEO, just SEO connection. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.